straight through.
How you gonna make it through? There's still
Let's
crowds.
ride.
All right, whenever you are.
Come on, man. Let's ride. Yeah. Oh, no. Can't do that.
What, baby?
Nothing. How you feeling? You okay?
I'm fine.
You want a funnel cake or anything?
I'm good.
Okay. All right.
I got the itchies.
I wouldn't be broke out here. I'd be out here trying to charm somebody. I'd be out here, listen,
Something right.
I can tell you're psychic or something.
Yep.
Write that down, critique it real well, like I be doing them raps.
I was supposed to get somebody and shit. That's all it takes.
What was that?
Sound like a duck. I swear. It was.
Did you hear the duck?
It was probably her cell phone. Look how you got that sound.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna let y'all make it. Cause I know you be having with your EDs and KMC, bro.
Marisol, everybody out here with a show. Oh, story.
Yeah, he had a sob story at that.
Yeah.
No one has ever gave me a 20. You better pull a 20 out of line.
Alright.
Get you some good fishing over here.
Was this here last time, Marisol?
Oh, no, it was empty last time. Remember, it was nothing. And we came over
went
here.
up there, yeah. I know I don't remember the lights.
Can we do that?
Go ahead. You see anything? Oh man, something done happened on the beach, like always.
What they doing?
Somebody probably was boxing or
They so surely not.
smoking too much fire or something like that. It looked like something over there, and over there,
Is it legal here?
and over there. It's 4 incidences.
Wow.
The puppy?
Ooh-wee.
Apparently so. Fishermen don't come back. I mean, you see anything there? Someone died over there? You see someone over there? You want to see a booty? I want to go to the. I'm trying to make it my objective to go east.
They making signs.
See, if you know how to draw, you come out here and do your little thing. You can be out here frying shrimp if you know how to do it. I bet them folks ain't even paying nothing.
No, you probably right. They just setting up shop, huh?
That's what you. Now we done made it where I wanted to go, so now we can ride. See, it wasn't that busy, and that definitely wasn't there last time, because you remember that picture, right?
Right.
This time it's my turn to pick somewhere.
It's your
Step it up, my baby.
picking where? What happened?
Nothing. It feels good.
It's a little cool out here.
I'm surprised they ain't got the lights on yet. I guess they wait until they get dark. That'd be pretty. There's more people fishing than I thought.
Oh, well, I don't mind if I do. We can sit for a hot minute. Thank you. Oh. Thank you, Jesus.
Did I scare you?
Gosh.
My bad. Over here, do you hear the water?
Do I hear the water?
Do you hear the waves, the water? If you
Nah.
listen. If
This
you
is
listen,
a visualization.
if you listen though, you can hear it. It's calming. Or like look at it and just focus, then you can get.
I feel that. I feel that. Yeah, I feel that.
Get cold, huh?
Yep.
You want to wrap up with that towel?
We can head back. You ready to head back towards the ocean?
Yeah, I want to go back to the ocean.
All right, we're just gonna take a little regrouping.
Adventure.
Uh-huh.
I want to drink some more water.
There you go. Where's your sandals? You got your sandals on?
I wonder what. I want to get in a boat and just go over there so I can't go no farther.
Here, this is mine, and that's why I gave you this. That's why I gave you this, to stay warm.